Welcome to AryaSoftwareTech. So I built this platform because I keep seeing that the same problem everywhere. People wanted their own website, but it was either way too expensive or way too complicated. Here's what different. You can literally launch your own website, fully customizable website in few minutes. No coding, no technical knowledge needed for it. So I am Nitish Arya, and over the next few minutes I am going to walk you through the entire process, from buying a domain to having a live, beautiful website that completely yours. This is the perfect if you're running a business, managing a community, creating a courses, or really anyone who needs an online presence. So let's dive in. Step 1, getting your domain. Now you can use any domain register you want. I am showing you GoDaddy because, but whatever you prefer, you can use that. They all work in the same way. For example, I already purchased a domain name called prashantkishore.in, and you just need to configure the DNS for the Prashant Kishore. And once you will reach in this step, you have to configure the uh, pointing server for it. You have to point this Prashant Kishore server to the Arya Software Tech server. uh, don't worry, it seems to be a little bit technical, but it is a quite easy task, so not issue on it. um, so already I have done the configuration just for saving a time. Now once you will done with the server pointing, it will take around half an hour to 1 hour to exactly work to that server. So I already done that for saving some time. So now if you can see, this is my prashantkishore.in. So now if you will reload this page, now it is perfectly working, pointing to the server. Arya Software Tech is working fine, but currently it is showing the no community found for this domain. You just have to do the one small task for that, so that your website become ready. What you have to do, go to the AryaSoftwareTech.com, and you have to click on the create a marketplace. And in this marketplace you have to provide the first name, last name, email, and domain URL, whatever you have purchased from the GoDaddy, and you have like pointed that domain DNS to the Arya Software Tech server. So you have to point that domain exactly like that way. So I'm copying it, prashantkishore.in, and I will just paste over here. And I can provide the name here. For example, let me give the name like Prashant, last name Kishore, email address, whatever you want you can give here. But remember that, because the same email address you have to use for login to the admin dashboard. So Prashant Kishore at the rate gmail.com, 70 Prashant Kishore 76 at gmail.com, password. Now boom, your website is now ready. You can see here prashantkishore.in, and your website is now ready, completely ready, no issue. You have to just configure. Currently it is showing with some dummy sections. Now you have to configure this, uh, your web page according to your requirement. For example, let me log in over here. I will provide the same email address which I have used at the time of sign up. So prashantkishore76 at the rate gmail.com, and here I will write my password over here. Now boom, we are in the admin dashboard of the Prashant Kishore website. Welcome to the admin dashboard page of the Prashant Kishore over here. By using this admin dashboard, we can configure each and everything customizable. For example, uh, in this top bar, I don't want this logo, I don't want this to be in the header, I want something my name according to my marketplace requirement, and also I don't want to give so much link inside this top bar. I have to give some few name, and also that name link I want to make according to our business requirement. And also we want that the background of this top bar should be of something of a different color, and text color I wanted something different. uh, Also I wanted to configure each and everything here. For example, whatever the section which we are showing here, I want to show some specific section with a specific configuration, with a specific text and images and videos and all. So we can configure each and every part by the admin dashboard. um, for example, in the footer also, I don't want to show these quick links or support. I want to give some specific links. And here currently it is showing only the WhatsApp icon. I want to configure here GitHub icon or LinkedIn icon or Instagram, YouTube, anything, whatever we want, that we can configure from the our admin dashboard page. So now let's come to the admin dashboard page of the Prashant Kishore. So the first section is the dashboard. So in this dashboard, currently it is showing the what is the community name over here and what is my domain. And here we have some quick action. For example, we want to configure our landing page, we can directly click on it and configure the landing page. And if we want something change in the navigation, or we want some create a content page, we can do that easily. So it is showing some recent activities, account is activated and community is created. So currently it is suggesting that our account is already created, community is created. Now we should have to configure our landing page. So yeah, uh, yeah. So let's configure the landing page. So in this landing page, if you are seeing the currently 11 section. So 11 sections are denoting to these sections. uh, the first one is a hero section, the second one is uh, why choose a section, feature section, I can say. So there are like loads of section we have, and each sections have their own specific design. And we can configure our landing page uh, according to our requirement. Um, and also we can use the template as well. We have some around few templates over here which we can directly uh, click on it and use in our landing page. For example, I wanted to use the uh, uh, for example, I want to use a story video in our uh, landing page, but I will just click on the use template, and now boom, that section will add here, that company story video. This section is now added in my domain, in our website. Now if you will reload the page, you will get the video section in the bottom. Yeah, now I'm able to see it. If we want to configure like what we want to show in the text, that we can also configure, and whatever the link we want to show in the video, that we can configure from here. We just need to click on this edit icon of it, and we can pass the video link. Just we can pass any YouTube video link over here, and that video will be playable inside our website. For example, instead of our story, I will say Prashant Kishore demo, Prashant Kishore demo, and I have changed this video title text here. And if we want to upload thumbnail which will show initially in the video, that will be show as a thumbnail. So I don't want to change, and I will click on the update section. And also I want to the story video should be top of the get in touch section. So we don't have to do, we can just drag and drop these things. For example, yeah, so now like our company story video is the top of the ST updated and get in touch section, and it is saved. And I will click on, I will reload the page over here, and now if you see, the video section is now the top of this section instead of the very bottom. So it is now top of the two section over here. So here is our section over here. Now just for saving some time, I will not go on the deeper side of it. And now in the landing page we can configure each and every section, whatever we want we can configure. And inside this navigation we can decide that how much nav link, how much navigation link I want to show in the top bar. For example, home service portfolio I want to see, so but not the team about contact. So for that I will just click on the delete, and that nav link will be deleted from the top bar. Also I will click on delete this contact section. Okay, keep the contact section, just delete the service section from here. Now if you will load the page, in the top bar you will see only the three section: home, portfolio and contact. Same we can configure the our footer as well. We can here add the footer section, and we can provide the link from here. And whatever we will create link from the top bar or the footer, we are providing our own link. For example, here I have provided the /contact, so we can create that content page from here. For example, let me create a contact page. I will just click on the create page, and here we have a content page. Here I will pass the page title is a contact, and endpoint will be /contact, and SEO title I will just pass just anything. Let's say Prashant. SEO description I can pass according to our SEO requirement, but as of currently I am passing something dummy. So Prashant description only, nothing too much fancy. Here also I will pass just Prashant. And now our page is ready, and what we have to show inside this contact page, that we can configure from here. Now we can add as much as we want. We can add sections over there. For example, I want to show the form of the contact. So just I will give the connect with Prashant, connect with Prashant, Prashant, and your basic information and your inquiry. Query message. And here I wanted to add a contact form, and in the I can give the what title I want to show inside the contact page. I will just pass the connect with Prashant, then give your basic information, same thing. Remember, this section is just for your remember, and this is going to be so inside the web page for the end user. And now I'm clicking on the create section. So now our contact page is ready. For this last contact is now ready. If now you reload the page and click on the contact, your contacted page is ready, completely ready. This is the same thing which you have provided from the admin dashboard. Suppose any user want to connect with the Prashant. um, uh, any user will come over here and pass the name, like for example Nitish Arya is wanted to connect with the Prashant. So Nitish Arya like provided their basic information over here, like here user can provide the phone number as well. um, right now I'm giving some message like, hey Prashant, I wanted to discuss about something electronic items. So I will just click on the send message. Now boom, the message will reach to the Prashant, and Prashant can check that whatever the message go to the Prashant, he will just click on the contact inquiry, and here he can check that yeah, okay, so Nitish Arya is wanted to connect with me, and this is the message from the Nitish Arya. So like this way uh, a contact inquiry is working over here. So now the dashboard is completed, landing page, navigation, contact page, inquiry is done. So now coming to the setting sections. So here I want, instead of showing the Prashant Kishore community text over here, I want to show the Prashant electronic I want to show over here. So just I will change the text from here, like Prashant Kishore, instead of Prashant Kishore I will pass Prashant electronics. And logo, I also want to change the logo as well. So I will just click on this upload logo from here, and I have already one logo, so I will just upload this item. So logo is changed. Now profile also I wanted to show the same icon, nothing, something else, just for saving some time. So favicon I will keep as it is. And now we have here from here we can configure the our dash our landing page should have what color, text color, background color, highlight color, title color, what we want, and also what we show in the navigation, what we show in the top bar color, what should be the background of the top bar color, and text color, hover color, link color. We can each and everything we can configure from here. Again, footer also we can configure from the here. We can configure the social media's icons, like what we have to show in the Facebook, Instagram. Each and everything we can configure from here. Now let me change the background color of the nav bar from top bar background color here. I will just click here and let me give the color as a little bit of blue color over here, and I will save the page over here. So now my top bar color will change. So yeah, now you can see the background color is changed, and our logo is also here, and community name is now Prashant Electronics, and link background is changed, but it is not looking like very much beautiful. So what I will do, instead of setting the background color by myself, I will use the already themes provided by the navigation. So I will use this one color, like sunset orange. I wanted to use this color, and now that color is applied inside this input field. uh, Here text color is white, but I want the color should be black, will be more beautiful, and I will save the page from here. Now our top bar color is top bar is looking something nice, and also we can change the entire text color, or the format we want. We can use, for example, instead of white color, I want here something green color. Let's So for that, what we will do here, I will go in this section. For the entire section, text color, instead of white, I want black color, and I will save from here. Now if I will reload the page, our color is also changed. So whatever we want, we can do the changes according to our requirement. So instead of changing everything inside the Prashant Kishore website, what I would like to prefer, I wanted to change something inside the AryaSoftwareTech, so that we get something like more good idea, like how the different communities are working. So now let me go to the AryaSoftwareTech.com. Let me click sign in. So yeah, now login is done, and here I wanted to change something. uh, uh, for example, let me go to the contact page. Contact is working fine. Gallery. So yeah, gallery, I wanted to add something inside the gallery page here. What I will do, first of all, I have to go inside the content page, and inside the gallery section, and here I wanted to add something related to, let me check inside the template if there is something related to my requirement. Let me use a custom blank section. So what will happen inside this section? In this section, you can configure your HTML design according to your requirement. For example, hello Nitish, and here I can pass, I can design something. Hey Nitish, how are you? I wanted to make it bold, so I can click on the bold, and something I want to write in italic. So how old are you? I want to write like as a italic. We can create some link from here. Now if you will reload the page, that section will present here. We already configured these tabs like dashboard, all these tabs like we already configured in the Prashant Kishore website. So what we have left now, that is community. It is nothing so much. It is giving the basic information about the your community, like what is the domain and what is the language which is used in your communities. So some basic information, and analytics page is currently is under progress. Um, Talking about the images, so here you can upload the images in the AWS, or download and delete. This thing you can done from here. And now um, so this was working process of the AryaSoftwareTech.com. So thank you so much.